These are the Scenic elevators at the Hotel Landy in Orlando, Florida on Universal Boulevard. Let's go 15. The Kone's Series 220. And let's watch the view.
Welcome to the 15th floor executive level. Going down.
We're gonna get off here and admire the view, since I think the person you might have seen in the video is likely gonna call the elevator down. So, pretty nice atrium. You can get a better view from back here. You can see the other elevator, which I believe is out of service. I believe only one of the two Scenic elevators is operating normally. And the elevator is right here. Let's go back to lobby. Elevator number 2. I'm gonna make this cab view quick because someone might be getting on.
Welcome to the lobby level. Going up.
And that'll be it.